Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this super cute little vintage truck. Now, it comes in a variety of different colors. I was sent the blue one, but look at how cute it is. It's like metal, which is fantastic, so it's gonna hold up really great. And it's got a lot of that like vintage look. It's got some little fake doors, but I mean, it's even got a little steering wheel in there. You've got your little trunk here that will hold whatever you're wanting to put in there. I mean, this is so cute with little side rails. It's about 12 inches or so by 6, so that is really nice. And you can put so many things in here, whether you want to put a candle or keys, or I really like putting whatever season is going on, that sort of floral thing in there, because I really like bringing outside elements in. So fall's getting ready to come up, so you can put some little fall decor back there. And then you can just simply put this wherever you're wanting to have it, whether you want to have it just as a centerpiece, underneath the TV, you can put it on this, kitchen table, whatever you want. But this nice metallic little truck is great for any season, can sit in any room, and it is built so well all the way around. I mean, like I said, it is completely metal, so it will hold up to whatever you're wanting to do. And with a variety of color, it can be used in pretty much any room.